Hello everyone and welcome to all of you in this video. And in this video I will going to show you the easiest approach to upload any project on GitHub repo. Okay, so I will not going to use any CLI. I will directly drag and drop any file or any folder and I will upload them directly. So it will be the very much easier approach for you guys. So just if you do not have any GitHub account, so just go and search for the GitHub. Just if you type the GitHub here, you can see the very first website. Just click on that website. After that you can see this kind of interface here, right? So at the top right position you can see the button sign up. Just click on it, guys. If you are creating the GitHub account for the first time, so for that just click on the sign up button. After that you have to put your email. So I want to put my email services dot codexintern@gmail.com. After that press the continue button and create a password. Okay, I think password is too short. No, it will be okay. Okay, now set a username codex intern. Okay, then click on the continue button. Now your account will be verified. Just it will take a second. Okay, use the arrows to rotate the object. Okay, okay, submit. Yes, your account is being verified successfully. Now you have to put the code. So I will open my Gmail here. Just give me a second, everyone. There is the code 2426 2426 2041 2041. So it will automatically uh, verify this OTP, and after that you have to put your email ID and your password for the login purpose. So I will put my email ID and I have to put my password here and press the sign in button. Okay, now I have already logged in. Just I have to choose a couple of options from here. Okay, I will not choose anything from here. I will use the free plan. Okay, I think my account is being created successfully. Yes, my account has been created successfully. Okay, now I want to create a repository. So just press on the create repository button and I want to give a name like YouTube video downloader. Okay, and just press the create repository button. Then your repository will be created. Now I want to drag and drop my entire file. Okay, and I want to upload them directly. So for that you can see here the option upload an existing file. So just click on this upload an existing file and open your project, and just keep in your mind, guys, I want to just put the video downloader here. So for that don't forget to delete this node module file folder. Okay, otherwise uh, it will give you some error or it will not be uploaded. So just keep in your mind you have to delete the node modules first. So you can see here I have already deleted the node module folder. Just drag and drop this entire folder here, and it will take a couple of seconds for uploading those files. Okay, just a second everyone, just a second. Yeah, you can see all files has been uploaded successfully here. Just click on the commit changes. Okay, now you can see our video downloader application is being deployed on the GitHub, right? You can see all the files and the folders here, right? So that is the very simplest way to deploy any project on the GitHub. So I hope it will help you to deploy your project on the GitHub, and you can also perform the submission, right? And thank you for watching this video, everyone. Have a good day to all of you.